So in this freeform tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to delete a sticky note here on freeform. So the first thing you have to do is open up the freeform application. Once that is done, I want you to go ahead and select a board of your choice. So for this demonstration, I'm going to go to untitled number 4 right here. And as you can tell, I have some previous sticky notes. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete these ones just like that to have sort of a blank slate right here. Now in order to add a sticky note, go to the bottom left here and press on the sticky note icon right here. So as you can just tell, I just deleted the sticky notes. But if you want to do it one more time, here's a sticky note. Simply just press on it, and as I just did before, go to the bottom right here and press on the trash can icon, and there you go. It is now deleted. So super straightforward, super simple. This is how to delete a sticky note here on the freeform application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.